Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Chris, welcome you to another Proto Tech Tip. Now today, we're expanding on machining in Protocase Designer and ProtoSpace Designer. This time, we'll be focusing on applying operations while designing machined parts. What are they and how do they work? So let's just jump in. So when you're trying to innovate, keeping projects moving forward is going to be super important. If you face any latencies at any stage, you will lose momentum, which will eventually affect your project timelines. Now, for years, Protocase Designer has helped users move from idea to design to production seamlessly. It's a simple tool for creating and ordering custom parts and enclosures very quickly. And to meet aerospace demands, we recently launched ProtoSpace Designer. It's the same easy-to-use software, but designed for aerospace and defense professionals. With Protocase and ProtoSpace Designer directly integrated with our rapid custom manufacturing and features like instant quoting and ordering, both design tools streamline your workflow, ensuring that you accelerate your project velocity and maintain project momentum. You can design machined parts with both software, and in one of our recent tech tips, we walked you through how to get started designing machined parts and also how to create a sketch. If you did miss that video, we'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. Now for this tech tip, we will go one step further and go through the process of actually applying operations. Now, an operation is a step in the CAD model that modifies the geometry of the part. Each operation is based on a 2D sketch. Think of operations as building blocks stacked one after the other to shape your final part. Common operations include cut, extrusion, hole, and fillet. Each operation modifies the part and appears in the machining tree on the left, storing a history of your operations. To apply an operation to a sketch, right-click on the sketch from within the machining tree and hover the operations menu. Click your desired operation. Now do note though, if an operation is disabled, it means that your sketch is not compatible with the operation. For instance, a hole operation is going to be disabled if your sketch doesn't contain any circle paths. While applying an operation, you will see a transparent red preview shape that the operation generates within the model. It's often useful to view your model in wireframe mode during this mode, as it gives you a better representation of how the operation's shape will change your geometry. In Protocase and ProtoSpace Designer, we have the 4 operations that we mentioned earlier. Let's go through each one of them now. The cut operation is used to create pockets, which can be either blind pockets, which is a fixed depth and doesn't cut all the way through, or through pockets, which cuts straight through to the other side. You can enter the cut amount, which controls how deep the pocket will go, or choose cut through, which will automatically cut straight through to the other side of the part. The extrude operation, on the other hand, takes a 2D sketch and pushes or pulls it into a 3D space to add or remove material. You can extrude a shape outward to create solid material or inward to remove material, and you can choose the extrusion amount. Meanwhile, the hole operation is used to create different hole features such as countersink, counterbore, tapped hole, and drilled hole. And the last operation is a fillet, which is a smooth, rounded transition between 2 surfaces or edges, usually applied to corners. To select an edge to apply a fillet, left-click on it. To select multiple edges, hold Shift and then left-click on them. To apply a fillet to your corner or edge in your design, you need to select one or more edges, then click on Machining Tools tab in the 3D Editor toolbar. Then click the Fillet button and enter your desired corner radius value, and then click OK. So that's a wrap for this week's tech tip, a tutorial on applying operations while designing machined parts in both Protocase and ProtoSpace Designer. We'll leave links to download the software in the description below. And if you have any questions, send an email to either info@protocasedesigner.com or info@protospacedesigner.com, and our team will be on hand to help you out. And if you did find this video useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for new tech tips coming every Tuesday. Until next time, take care.